Once upon a time, in a land where the sun kissed the hills and the olive trees danced with the wind, there was a small village called Al-Ma'an. This village was nestled in a place called Palestine. The children of Al-Ma'an were known for their laughter, echoing like bells through the valleys. At the heart of this village stood a brave girl named Layla. Layla had eyes as deep as the night sky, and her heart was filled with dreams of peace and harmony. She loved stories of heroism and courage, often sitting by her grandfather's side as he shared tales of the village's past. Her favorite story was about the olive branches, a symbol of peace and strength, and how they always grew back, no matter how many times they were uprooted. One day, whispers of fear spread across the village like a shadow. The peaceful land was again facing troubles. The villagers were anxious about the safety of their beloved home. The olive tree groves, which had stood for generations, were threatened, and the people felt the weight of their history in every breeze. Layla, with her heart full of courage, decided to do something about it. With determination in her spirit, she gathered her friends, each one unique and brave in their own way. Amir, the artist, who could paint hope with every stroke of his brush. Hannah, the wise one, who could see solutions where others saw only problems. And Youssef, who ran faster than the wind. Together, they formed a fellowship, pledging to protect their beloved village and its olive trees. With a plan crafted from whispers and dreams, they decided to plant new olive trees to replace those that had been lost, choosing spots where the soil was strongest. The villagers, seeing the children's determination, joined in the effort, turning a time of fear into a moment of unity and hope. As the children worked, Layla spoke to them about what her grandfather had taught her. She shared stories of the past, of the resilience and spirit of their ancestors. Under the moonlit skies, they sang songs and told stories, ensuring that their cultural tale of bravery and struggle was never forgotten. As time went by, young Layla and her friends, with the community's support, turned Al-Ma'an into a glowing symbol of resilience for all Macedonia. The new trees flourished, just as the hope in their hearts grew stronger. From Al-Ma'an to other villages, the message was clear, and the children of Palestine found strength in unity, where even the smallest hands can hold the branches of freedom and courage. The story of Layla and Al-Ma'an became a wonderful tale that was passed from one generation to the next, teaching children the power of faith, community, and love for one's homeland. And so, the olive trees continued to sway in the wind, whispering tales of hope and freedom. For those who listen, standing tall against the horizons, forever a testament to the courage and unity of the villagers who love them dearly.